SailQuest Youth Sailing Program. Tailor-made just for international schools and youth organizations. Students set sail on an unforgettable adventure out of world-class Ocean Marina in Pattaya, Thailand. Nestled in the upper Gulf of Thailand, this is the perfect learn-to-sail environment, featuring steady winds, calm, protected seas, and beautiful remote islands within easy range. A superb combination of learning, teamwork, responsibility, and good, clean fun. It's the premium training experience for young people. From the moment they arrive, in the classroom, on the docks, or as crew on deck, our students are fully engaged, immersed in developing the essential skills of sailing. Vocabulary, knots and ropes, sailing theory, navigation, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, safety at sea, rules of the road, and passage planning and procedures. Our experienced, internationally accredited IYT instructors provide a safe, inclusive, and hands-on approach to sailing. And our students walk away with globally recognized IYT training certifications. Along with providing everything the students need for the course, your full-service program includes accommodation options to suit any budget, all the way from tents and cozy bungalows to 5-star luxury appointed rooms. And of course, a few nights sleeping aboard the yachts. Meals are covered too, on both land and sea, featuring delicious cuisine from Ocean Marina's exquisite Lake House restaurant. On the final evening of the course, your group will anchor just offshore Pattaya's famous Seafood Row and take the dinghy in for a celebration feast. International schools and youth organizations choose SailQuest for our experience in handling all mission parameters, from risk assessment documentation to any special group considerations or needs. We've got you covered. Our professional service and world-class facilities make SailQuest the winning choice. Challenging, rewarding, and fun. Check the website for all details and book your group today. SailQuest. Your adventure awaits.